Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 8 to the power of 8 minus 8 to the power of 7, and we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So here first we rewrite this expression as this is 8 to the power of 8, and we write this 8 as 7 plus 1 minus this is 8 to the power of 7. So here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponent, we just break this exponent as in this form. So we rewrite this expression as 8 to the power of 7 times 8 to the power of 1 minus 8 to the power of 7. So here you see that both of these two terms involve 8 to the power of 7, so that we will be take common 8 to the power of 7 from here. So here we take common 8 to the power of 7, and we get the remaining values are 8 minus 1, and this is equals to 8 to the power of 7 multiplied by 8 minus 1 becomes here 7. So here our next target is to get the values of 8 to the power of 7. So for this we just take only the term 8 to the power of 7. First we find the value of this term, and then we move backward and we substitute this value here, and we get our final answer. So you know about that 8 to the power of 7 means that we multiply 8 with 8 7 times in this pattern. Okay, this is 8 multiplied by 8. So here you see that 8 times of 8 becomes here 64 multiplied by this 8 times 8 is also becomes here 64, and here we have 8 times of 8 again becomes 64, and at the last we get here 8 only. And further in the next step, here first we multiply both of these two terms, and its resulting answer is multiply these two terms. So now first we break this 64 as 60 plus 4 and multiplied by this is 64 times of 8. We multiply these two terms, and you see that 8 4s are 32. We write 2 and carry 3. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 becomes here 51. So in the same pattern we multiply these terms. So here we multiply 64 separately on both of these two values, and we get 64 times of 60 plus 64 times of 4, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 512. So now first we multiply 64 times of 60, and here we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number. So 0 times 64 becomes 0, and 6 times 64 equals to 6 4s are 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 becomes here 38. Plus we multiply 4 times 64, and we get 4 4s are 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 becomes here 25. And now first we sum up both of these two terms, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 512. So when we add these two values, we will get here this 0 plus 6 becomes here 6. 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5 becomes 9, and 8 plus 2 becomes 10. We write 0 and carry 1. So this 3 plus 1 becomes here 4. So when we sum up these two values, we get here 4096, and we need to multiply this term with 512. So we break this 512 as 500 plus 10 plus 2. It means that we multiply this bigger number separately on each of these values in this way. 4096 multiplied by 500 plus 4096. When we multiply 4096 with 10, this will be, here we just write 0 on this term and it will be written as in this way. Plus in the same pattern we multiply 2 with this number, we get here 2 6 is 12. So we write here 2 and we carry 1. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1 becomes 19. We write 9 and carry 1. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and 2 fours are 8. So here we just need to multiply these two bigger numbers and we sum up these two numbers. So here we again consider this is one digit number and this is our 3-digit number. So 0 times this number becomes 0. This 0 times this number again gets 0, and 5 times this number equals to 5 6 are 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 becomes 48. We write 8 and carry 4. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 becomes 4 and 5 fours are 20. And plus we sum up these two values and we have 0 plus 2 becomes 2. 6 plus 9 becomes here 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So this is 9 plus 1 becomes 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. And 0 plus 8 becomes 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9, and at the last we get here 4. So in the next step we sum up both of these two values and we get the power is 8 to the power of 7. So we have 0 plus 2 becomes here 2, and 0 plus 5 becomes 5. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 8 plus 9 becomes 17. We write 7 and carry 1. So 4 plus 4 becomes 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9, and we get the remaining values are 2 and 0. So this is the value of 8 to the power of 7. So now we need to move backward, and here you see that we substitute the value of 8 to the power of 7 here and we get our final destination. So we have here we just multiply uh, 8 to the power of 7 with 7 in order to get the value of 8 to the power of 8 minus 8 to the power of 7. So this is equals to 8 to the power of 7 multiplied by 7. We have the value of 8 to the power of 7 is this one. This is 2097152, and we need to multiply it with 7. So when we multiply with 7 we get here 7 2s are 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 7 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 1 becomes 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 becomes 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 1 becomes 50. We write 0 and carry 5. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 5 becomes 68. We write 8 and carry 6. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 6 becomes 6, and 7 2s are 14. So this is the our final answer of the given question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.